Welcome back to our channel. The 2024 MX-5 Miata benefits from an assortment of updates including an all-new 8.8-inch infotainment system with Alexa. If you've ever wondered what's the price of freedom, wonder no more, as Mazda has announced the 2024 MX-5 Miata will begin at $28,085, costing $935 more than its predecessor. The MX-5 Miata is entering its twilight years with a surprising number of updates. The changes are easy to spot, as the car has updated headlights with a new LED daytime running light signature. Buyers will also find new LED taillights as well as updated wheels. Last but not least, the color palette has been expanded to include Aero Gray. Mazda says it has a cool tone that contrasts nicely against MX-5 Miata's available dark trim and wheels. Bigger changes occur inside, as the car has been equipped with an all-new 8.8-inch infotainment system. It replaces the previous 7-inch display and features touch functionality when using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Furthermore, the infotainment system has Mazda's first-ever integration of Alexa. This enables users to adjust the climate control system and radio with their voice. Putting the infotainment system aside, the car has been equipped with a new instrument cluster that features simplified high-contrast graphics for easier readability at a glance. The model also sports a revised center console with additional padding for improved driver comfort. Mazda didn't forget about the driving experience, as the MX-5 Miata has been equipped with a new steering rack that features optimized internals for reduced friction. It's accompanied by new software, and this results in smoother steering action with a more defined on-center feeling for relaxed freeway cruising, yet greater precision as the front tires are loaded up under hard cornering. Some trims have additional changes, including a new asymmetric limited slip differential and DSC track mode on the club, but those are the bulk of the updates. As a result, all MX-5s are equipped with a familiar 2-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 181 horsepower, 135 kilowatts, and 151 lb-ft, 205 Nm of torque. It can be connected to a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, depending on the trim. Speaking of which, the entry-level MX-5 Miata Sport features a black soft top and 16-inch alloy wheels with a metallic black finish. Buyers will also find a leather-wrapped steering wheel, cloth seats, and a 6-speaker audio system. They're joined by a keyless entry system, the aforementioned infotainment system, and an assortment of driver assistance systems such as blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert. If you enjoyed learning about the 2024 Mazda MX-5 Miata and want to see more exciting videos about cars, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot of great content coming your way, including in-depth reviews, first looks, and test drives of the latest and greatest vehicles on the market. Don't miss out on the opportunity to stay up to date with the latest automotive news and trends, so hit that subscribe button and be sure to check out our other videos.